Okay, hey guys, today we're going to do a basic video on being a distributor. Now this doesn't matter if this is just a few recommendations to friends and family, or if you want to actually take this serious. We're going to make this as simple as possible for anybody who's just getting started. Okay, first of all, to be a distributor, you have to buy a distributor pack that's currently $30 US. Or if you buy a mega pack, or if that's how you already started, in the US you have the option of being a preferred customer or a distributor with a mega pack. And in the rest of the countries that we distribute to, I believe all of them have to have the option of you being a distributor at that point when you buy it. You don't have the option of being a preferred customer mega pack. The only difference being that you have to put your tax number in because this is a legitimate business license that you are buying, and you can completely legally enter this into your tax system. And this also means that you can write off portions of your income wherever your income already comes from, not income that comes from the business. You can already write some of that off into your expenses of your home, for your office space, some gas, even things like restaurant or takeout food that's billed for 2 or more people. If you were paying for a business meeting, that's how you'd write it off. Anyway, so step 1, you're a distributor. Now you can sign up preferred customers or other distributors. But in order to get paid on that, you will need to know what we're going to cover in this video. Every month, the compensation plan resets. So every month, your ability to earn off of any existing customers or any new customers or any existing distributors or new distributors, any orders that they make, you have the potential to get paid on them, but only if you activate your account. Okay, so the compensation plan looks really complicated, but if you're just starting, it's really only this column that actually matters. So we'll go ahead and we'll get rid of all the rest of it. We'll get rid of this first column here because this is really not a practical column, and that'll make sense soon. Okay, so we've only got this one position here, and this number is all that really matters. 100 personal QV, that's qualifying volume. So let's take easy examples here. Now you can access products through Youngevity.com or buyygy.com. They're both official sites. I tend to prefer the buyygy because it's a little bit simpler. We have so many different products, it's quite difficult to organize them. We'll start with the Healthy Body Start Pack 2.0. It's one of the flagship little packages, and most of us wouldn't actually be buying our products this way, but just as an example, you get the price $133.95. That's in dollars, and you've got 2 numbers up here, the QV and the BV. SKU is just the product number. The brand is Youngevity, since we have lots of different brands under here. It'll show the original brand name. But QV is 127, which is more than 100, so that automatically qualifies us. Qualifying volume is what qualifies you on the compensation plan. That's what determines your position here. But just starting out, the only QV that you need to worry about is 100 personal qualifying volume. And why we forgot about this column is because that one had 50 qualifying volume. But auto ship is $99. You get free shipping with $99 orders in Canada, the US, Australia, and $99 should bring you closer to this 100. Now you don't want to spend $99 and not get that 100 because that's not going to qualify you to earn properly. And properly means 8% at least rather than 5%. When you are this position instead of the first one, now you can get 30% off of new orders. So any new customer that you sign up or any distributor, within the first 30 days, anything they buy, you can get 30% on the first 30 days. Now 30% of what? It's not 8% of the price, it's 8% of the BV, which means bonus volume. In this case, it's 100. So you'd earn 8% of 100 on a regular month, but within the first 30 days, you get 30% of that. Now also when you're just starting out, levels 2 and 3 aren't really going to matter much unless whoever you sign up on level 1 is also recommending to people. Now these levels start to matter, but that definitely doesn't matter just getting started. What matters is that you would get 30% of the BV for the first order, which is $30. That is if you have your 100 QV order in this month. And this is why I mentioned the auto ship, because we need these products every month. Most of us actually don't buy our products like this. We tend to buy 2 packs, 3 packs, 6 packs of whatever we need just because it's a better deal and it's good to be ahead. This is a starter pack. Okay, so that's really all you need to know at first. And if you don't put your own order in, you don't get to earn money, but there's no penalty. You don't have to pay a fee or anything. But that's why it makes sense to just do the auto ship. You get the free shipping. That's what we all do. Order at least the minimum of what you need to qualify a basic level. And we'll do an advanced video when the other qualifications matter. But right now, the only thing that matters is your personal QV and that you just need to know that you get paid on the BV number, 30% in the first 30 days, or 8% on any other month after that, assuming that you made at least a minimum order of 100 QV on that month. Okay, so now all you need to know in order to actually sign people up is you can do it through either of these two sites, Youngevity.com or buyYGY.com. When you enroll, you get a distributor number, 9 digits, and you get the option to set your username. You could use either the ID number or your username .youngevity.com or .buyYGY.com. That will automatically bring your customers to the homepage of either of these sites, and they can click join us on either of them. And that could be as a preferred customer or a distributor. But I prefer to do it myself, and I usually use the business center. That was right down there at the bottom. Same thing on here, Youngevity.com. It's distributor back office. It'll bring you to the same place. This one is the 2.0 version. I like the old school one. This is the easiest for me, especially on desktop, because there is so many products, so you can just scroll through things quite easily. Go to Enroll New Associate. An associate can be a preferred customer or a distributor. Just go here to preferred customer. And really all you need is the few fields with a star next to it. So you need their name, their phone number, their email, their address. And that's pretty much it. You can create the username, create the password, sign the agreement, move forward, and you can purchase products. As soon as the account is made, this will give you the option. So you have the option of buying some products right here. It doesn't have all of them. And you can set up an auto ship right away. Well, this makes sense too at the end of a month. Remember, you can cancel an auto ship anytime. You should definitely watch the short auto ship video. It's not like an Amazon Prime membership. You just send an email to autoship@youngevity.com, ask them to cancel or put your auto ship on pause, and they could help you just put products on it. You could do that on the phone. Their number is on every product. Or you can click this through, and I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to create an account that doesn't exist. You click this through, create the account, and then sign in the same way that you signed in over here. You just sign in with their new account and set their order up on an auto ship and then cancel it. Why? Because you still get paid the 30% within the first 30 days, and if you're closer to the end of the month, it often makes sense to do that so that they get the free shipping and you still get paid the same amount because you don't get paid on the tax or the shipping that they get charged. And you could do the same thing through this 2.0 business center, but I like to go to the legacy and you just save that. So you can always send people your link. This would be mine. So now whatever they do will automatically be under me, and you could even search a product. Say this is the product that you're recommending them. You could just copy that link and you could just send them that link. And when they buy that, it'll give them the option of being a preferred customer. Now you see, I like to do it signing in. Why do they need to be a preferred customer? Because this is all about who gets paid as a distributor. When it's an account, it's very easy. It fits into the formula. Because if they just buy off the Youngevity website randomly without putting your number in at some point, you're not going to get any of these percents. So that's it. That's all you got to do is you got to put in your minimum order. You can enroll anybody. You'll get paid 30% of what they order in the first 30 days, and then you'll fall back on your regular percentages. And none of this matters until you decide that you really want to take this seriously, because for the most part you don't really need to earn more than 3 levels, especially not when you're first starting. And that's it. There's a lot more that could be said on how to actually do that. We've got lots of other content for that, and we'll make follow-up videos for more advanced levels. And remember, it's that qualifying volume that makes this whole thing make sense, because the first level that we concentrated on here doesn't have any other qualifications other than your own personal order, but every single one after that has something else that you need to qualify. The very next level requires you to order 150 QV, and you have to have 3 preferred customers or associates. I believe those have to have ordered 50 QV each, and they can be a customer or a distributor, which is called an associate. So that looks like this, assuming that these 3 people have ordered at least 50 QV, and they can get paid on the 4th level now. And now new bonuses become available. We'll talk about that later. But for now, that's all you need to know. Appreciate you guys. Until next time. And definitely check out my book, Fake Diseases. It covers all of the major topics that come up, like birth defects, blood sugar problems, bone and joint problems, cancer, autoimmune problems, and more. And it's on Amazon for just $9.99. And the audiobook read-along version is free here on YouTube, and the link for that is in the description of this video. Definitely get yourself a copy of Dr. Wallach's cookbook. This is basically a textbook about how to cook without the bad foods, particularly oil and gluten. This is 300 pages stuffed full of recipes without the bad foods that they're usually made from. And of course, make sure to check out our food page, Notice Foods, that's on YouTube, and at Notice Foods on Instagram. We have a lot of content up there teaching you how to cook without the bad foods that Dr. Wallach describes, and Dr. Glidden's 12 bad foods, all of that, all of the rules that you need to know. And we have experienced chefs and bakers who will answer the questions in those inboxes.